Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to our online maths class. How are you all? Are you fine? Please remain safe and healthy at home. Okay. Be safe, be healthy. Okay. Do you remember what has been discussed in our previous class? Yes, we have discussed about multiples and common multiples, isn't it? Multiples and common multiples. I hope you have understood the concepts well. Now let's try to do the exercise related to these two concepts. Okay, write down. Okay, please write down exercise 6a. Exercise 6a. Okay, first question. Write the first five multiples of the first five multiples of a 8. Answer. Which are the first five multiples of 8? Yes, 8 into 1, 8 into 2, etc. Isn't it? 8 into 1 is the first multiple of 8. Which is the second multiple of 8? Yes, 8 into 2. Third multiple? 8 into 3, isn't it? Fourth multiple is what? Yes, 8 into 4. And the fifth multiple? 8 into 5. That is, 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are? Yes, 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are? Yes, 32. 8 fives are 40. These are the first five multiples of 8 are the first five multiples of 8. Isn't it? Very easy, no? Yes. Are the first five multiples of 8. Okay, have you understood? Yes, now let's try to do B. B, the question is 7. We have to write the first five multiples of 7. Can you say the answer? Which are the first five multiples of 7? Yes, 7 into 1, 7 into 2, 7 into 3, 7 into 4, 7 into 5. Isn't it? These are the first five multiples of 7. That is 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are? Yes, 14, 7 threes are? 21, 7 fours are? Yes, 28, sorry, not 3. 7 fours are? Yes, 28. 7 fives are? 35, isn't it? Are the first five multiples of 7, isn't it? Any doubt in this? No, easy, isn't it? Are the first five multiples of 7. You might have thought why ma'am is writing like this, 7 into 1, 7 into 2, etc. Have you thought so? The answer is in the coming question. Okay. Yes. Now write down C. 12. So we have to find out the first five multiples of 12. So in this case, it is better to write 12 into 1, etc. Isn't it? Yes. That's the answer. First, question number C is 12. So, what is the first multiple of 12? Yes, 12 into 1. Which is the second multiple of 12? Yes, 12 into 2. Which is the third multiple of 12? Yes, 12 into 3. Which is the fourth multiple of 12? Yes, 12 into 4. Which is the fifth multiple of 12? Yes, 12 into 5. Isn't it? So, that is, any number into 1 is that number itself. So, 12 into 1 means 12. That is the first multiple. If you know the table of 12, you can do. Otherwise, try to multiply in the working column. 12 into 2. 2 twos are 4. 1 twos are 2. 12 into 2 is 24. This is the second multiple, isn't it? Which is the third multiple? You don't rub. I have no space. That's why I rubbed here. You can write continuously. Okay. So now let's try to find out the third multiple of 12. That means what is it? Yes, 12 into 3. If you know the table of 12, you can write directly without doing this calculation in the working column. Okay. Otherwise, you please try to multiply in the working column. Okay. 2 3s are 6. 1 3s are 3. So 36 is the third multiple of 12. What about the fourth multiple? 12 into 4. Isn't it? 2 4s are 8. 1 4s are 4. So fourth multiple of 12 is 48. And what about the fifth multiple? Yes, for finding out the fifth multiple of 12, what we have to do? Yes, we have to find out 12 into 5, isn't it? 12 into 5. 2 5s are 10s. 10 0 here, balance 1 in the working column, isn't it? 1 5s are 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So which is the fifth multiple of 12? 60, isn't it? Other, have you understood? 12 into 1 is 12. 12 into 2 is 24. That is the second multiple. 12 3s are 36, which is the third multiple. No need to underline. Okay, I am just explaining. 12 4s are 48. That is the fourth multiple of 12. And finally, 12 5s are 60. That is the fifth multiple of 12. Got it? Okay, so that is 12, 24, 36, 48, 60 are the what? Yes, first 5 multiples, first 5 multiples of 12. Got it? Have you understood how to do? Yes, first 5 multiples of 12. Okay, now D. Question D is, the question is 23. D, the question is 23. So what we have to find out here? Yes, we have to find out the first 5 multiples of 23. So which are the first 5 multiples of 23? Directly can we write? No. So what we have to do? Yes, 23 into 1 is the first multiple. Second multiple is, yes, 23 into 2. Third multiple is 23 into, yes, 3. Fourth multiple is 23 into 4. And fifth multiple is what? Yes, 23 into 5. Isn't it? Yes, that is. Of course, we all know any number into 1 is the number itself. So, the first multiple 23 into 1 is what? Yes, that is 23 itself. So, let's find out the second multiple 23 into 2 in the working column. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. So, what is the second multiple of 23? Yes, 46. Now, we have to find out the third multiple of 23. What is it? Yes, 23 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 2 3s are 6. So, which is the third multiple of 23? 69, isn't it? So, now let's find out the fourth multiple of 23. What is it? Yes, 23 into 4. 23 into 4. 4 3s are 12. 12's 2 here, balance 1 in the working column, isn't it? 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So, which is the fourth multiple of 23? Yes, 92. Now, let's find out the fifth multiple of 23. You please write it continuously. I have no space. That's why I'm rubbing. Okay. Yes. And the fifth multiple of 23 is what? Yes, 23 into 5. Let's find out. 23 into 5. 3 5s are 15. Sorry, 3 5s are 15s. 15's 5 here. Balance 1 in the working column, isn't it? 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So, which is the fifth multiple of 23? Yes, 115. And what shall be written? Yes, are the first 5 multiples, first 5 multiples of, yes, 23. Have you got? Have you understood how to find out this? Got it? Now, let's note down the homework from this session. E, F, G are homeworks. E, F, G are home words. Now down E. The question is 8. 8 we have done, I think. Isn't it? No. The question is 5. You have to write the first 5 multiples of 5. F homework. The question is 6. F also homework. What happened to me? Sometimes it is like this. Total confusion. Okay, F is homework. Question is 6. G also homework. The question is 11. Try to write down the first 5 multiples of these numbers. Okay. Okay. Now we have completed the first question. Now let's move on to the second question. Encircle the numbers. Encircle the numbers. Encircle the numbers that are the multiples of encircle the numbers that are the multiples of A 7. So what is the meaning of this question? Yes, in the question some numbers will be given. From that we have to encircle the numbers which are the multiples of this number 7. Okay. Yes, the given numbers are 1, 17, 2, 35, 3, 63, 4, 7 and 5, 19. These 5 numbers are given. Among these numbers we have to encircle the multiples of 7. Encircle means just circle. Encircle the numbers which are the multiples of 7. That's the question. Got it? So what about the first number 17? Is 17 a multiple of 7 or is 17 in 7 stable? No. So need not encircle this. What about 35? Is 35 in 7 stable? 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are, yes, 35. So what? Yes, 35 is in 7 stable, isn't it? So do we need to encircle this or not? Yes, we need to encircle the number 35. Why? Yes, 35 is in 7 stable. So of course, obviously 35 is a multiple of 7, isn't it? What about 63? Is 63 in 7 stable? Let's check. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are, etc. 7 fives are 35, 7 fours are, 7 fives are 35, 7 six are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are, yes, 7 nines are 63. So is 63 in 7 stable? Yes, of course, 63 is in 7 stable. So do we need to encircle this 63? Yes, isn't it? We have to encircle this 63. Why? Yes, 63 is in 7 stable, so we have to encircle 63. Got it? Next, consider the next number 7. Of course, 7 is in 7 stable. 7 ones are 7. So, without any confusion or without further thinking, we can encircle 7, isn't it? So, what about the next number 19? Is 19 in 7 stable? 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 21 greater than 19. So we can conclude or we can fix that 19 is not there in 7 stable. So we can't encircle 7. Sorry, 19. Can we encircle 19? Not at all. This is not in 7 stable. Okay, have you understood how to do such problems? Yes. So we have done the case of 7. Now let's try to do B. The question is 6. So what we have to do? Some numbers will be given, and if the given number is in 6 table, or if the given number is a multiple of 6, we need to encircle it, otherwise not. Okay. Let's note down the numbers. First number is given as 36 and the second number is given as 14. Third number is given as 42 and fourth number is given as 24 and the fifth number is given as 11. So let's check. We have to check whether the given numbers are multiples of 6 or not, or in other words, we have to check whether the given numbers are there in 6 table or not. Okay. What about 36? Is 36 in 6 table? Yes. Yes. How? 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are? Yes. 6 six are 36. So do we need to encircle 36? Yes. Why? Yes. 36 is in 6 table, isn't it? Okay. Now let's consider the second given number 14. What about 14? Is 14 in 6 table? Let's check. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18. 18 is greater than 14. So is 14 in 6 table? No. So do we need to encircle the number 14 here? No. So need not encircle 14. Okay, what about 42? Is 42 in 6 table? 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 six are 36, 6 sevens are? What is 6 sevens are? Yes, 6 sevens are 42. So what can we say? Yes, 42 is in 6 table, or in other words, we can say that 42 is a multiple of, yes, 42 is a multiple of 6. So do we need to encircle 42? Yes, we need to encircle 42, isn't it? Next, consider the number 24. Fourth number 24. What about 24? Is 24 in 6 table? 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24. Yes, of course, 24 is there in 6 table, isn't it? So do we need to encircle 24? Yes. So what can we conclude from the 624? Since 24 is in 6 table, we can say that 24 is a multiple of 6. So of course we need to encircle. What about 12? Is 12, sorry, not 12. The given number is 11. Is 11 in 12 table? No, 12 ones are, sorry, is 11 in 6 table? Pardon me. Is 11 in 6 table? 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. Greater than 11. So the given number 11 is not in 12 table. So we need not encircle here. Got it? How to do? Have you understood how to do such problems? Okay, now let's try to do C. The question is 10 and the given numbers are 1, 70. Second one, this is 70. Okay, first one, 70. Second one, 45. Third one, 91. Fourth one, 60. And finally, 80. So we need to encircle from the given numbers. We have to encircle the numbers which are multiples of 10. In other words, what can we say? Yes, from the given numbers, we have to encircle the numbers which are in tens table, So let's start. What about the first number 70? Is 70 in tens table? Yes, 10 sevens are 70. Since 70 is in tens table, we can say that 70 is a multiple of 10. So do we need to encircle here? Yes. What about 45? Is 45 in tens table? 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50. Of course, 45 is not in tens table. So do we need to encircle here? No, isn't it? What about 91? All the multiples of, if you observe the tens table well, you can understand that all the last digits of those multiples ends with 0, or the last digits of tens multiples are 0. So from that we can easily conclude that the numbers which are not, numbers which do not end with 0 are not the multiples of 10, or that shall be discussed later. Now just find out whether 91 is in 10's table or not. 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90, 10 tens are 100. So is 91 in 10's table? No. So do we need to encircle here? Not at all. Now what about 60? Is 60 in 10's table? Yes, we know 10 6 are 60. So do we need to encircle this number? Yes, isn't it? What about 80? Yes, we all know 10 eights are 80. So we need to encircle this number also. Got it? Have you understood how to do this? Okay, now let's try to do the homework from this session. See, after D and E are homeworks. D and E are homeworks. D the question is 2 and you have to encircle the numbers which are the multiples of 2. Okay, first one 5, second one 12, third one 18, fourth one 9, fifth one 16. These are the given numbers. You have to encircle the numbers which are the multiples of 2. Okay. Now try to do the second problem as homework. Second problem E. The second homework, the question is, the number is 4. The given numbers are 16. First one 16, second one 25, third one 36, fourth one 21 and fifth one 24. These two are homeworks from this session. Okay. Now let's try to do the third question. Question number 3. Write down the third question. Question number 3. 1 minute. Write down the third question. Question number 3. Find the first two. Find the first two common multiples of multiples of 5 and 10. So what we have to do here? Yes, we have to find out the first two common multiples of 5 and 10. Have you understood how to do? What is the meaning of the question? Yes, for this, what shall be done? What we have to do for this? Yes, first we have to write down the multiples of 5, isn't it? Then, yes, down we have to write down the multiples of 10. So, among those, we have to find out the common multiples, isn't it? We have done some examples while writing the notes, I think. Yes. So, write down answer. First, we have to begin with, yes, multiples of first number 5, isn't it? Which are the multiples of 5? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, etc. Isn't it? It goes on like this. Down we have to write down multiples of 10, isn't it? Multiples of 10. Which are the multiples of 10? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, etc. These are the multiples of 10. Now, in the question, we have been asked to find out the first two common multiples of 5 and 10. First two common multiples. So, we need to find out only the first two common multiples of 5 and 10. Okay. So, let's try to find out. 5 is here. Is 5 down? No. Yes, 10 is here. 10 is down also. So, which is the first common multiple of 5 and 10? Yes, 10 is the first common multiple of 5 and 10, isn't it? Which is the second common multiple? Is 15? 15 is here. Is 15 down? No. What about 20? Yes, 20 is here. Here also, isn't it? What about 25? No. 30 here and here also. But we need only two common multiples. Why? Yes, in the question, we have been asked to write down only the first two common multiples. So, which are they? Which are the first two common multiples of 5 and 10? Yes, 10 and 20 are the first two common multiples of 5 and 10. Okay, have you understood? Yes. Therefore, 5, sorry. Which are the first two common multiples? 10 and 20, isn't it? Therefore, 10 and 20 are the 10 and 20 are the first two common multiples of first two common down. I couldn't write down, so please let me write above. You please continue. Let me write it above on the top. You can continue. Okay. Are the first two common multiples of 5 and 10. Have you understood how to find out the common multiples? So what we have done here? Yes, we have written the multiples of 5. Then we have written the multiples of 10. So among these multiples, we found the common multiples of 5 and 10. Have you understood? Okay, now let's write down the next question. I think we have done question number 3 now. Now let's move on to question number 4. Write down question number 4. Write down question number 4. Now write down fourth question. Find the first two common multiples of find the first two common multiples of find the first two common multiples of 6 and 8. Can you say how to do this? Can you say how to do this? Yes, first we have to write down the multiples of 6, isn't it? Okay, write down. Then down we have to write down the multiples of, yes, 8, like that, isn't it? Multiples of 6. Let me write it like this because there won't be enough space otherwise. Okay, which are the multiples of 6? 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are, yes, 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are what? 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are, yes, 48, isn't it? 6 eights are 48, etc. It goes on, isn't it? Now down we have to write what? Yes, multiples of 8, isn't it? Why? Yes, we have been asked to find out the common multiples of 6 and 8, isn't it? So we have to write down the multiples of 8 also. Multiples of 8. Multiples of 8. Which are the multiples of 8? 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are, yes, 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 six are what? 48, 8 sevens are 56, etc. Isn't it? So among this, can you find out any common? Could you find any common multiple? Yes, of course. 6 is here, not down. 12 is here, not down. 18 is here, but not down. What about 24? Yes, 24 is here. 24 is here also. So what can we say? Yes, 24 is the first common multiple of 6 and 8, isn't it? 24 is the first common multiple of 6 and 8, isn't it? So encircle 24 here also 24. So 24 is a common multiple of 6 and 8 and 24 is the first common multiple of 6 and 8, isn't it? Now let's try to find out the next common multiple. 30 is here, not down. 36 is here, not down. 42 is here, not down. What about 48? Yes, 48 is here and 48 is here also. So is 48 a common multiple of 6 and 8? Yes, 48 is a common multiple of 6 and 8. So we can encircle. And what can we say? Yes, 48 is the, yes, second common multiple of 6 and 8. 48 is the second common multiple of 6 and 8. So can we stop here? Yes, we have been asked to find out only the two common multiples and we got them also. Which are they? Which are the first two common multiples of 6 and 8? Yes, 24 and 48 are the first two common multiples of 6 and 8. Got it? So what can we conclude? Therefore, 24 and 48 are the first two common multiples of 6 and 8, isn't it? So please write down. Therefore, 24 and 48 are the first two common multiples of let me rub here, okay? You please continue. First two common multiples of 6 and 8. Okay, have you understood how to do such problems? Is there any doubt? Okay, now let's do the homeworks from this session. Question number 5 is homework. Tomorrow you have no math class, so enough time is there for doing the homeworks. Don't worry. Okay. Yes, some of you haven't sent the division lessons not, so complete it fast and send. Okay. Now, question number 5 homework. Find the first two common multiples of multiples of 2 and 4. Very easy. This one is homework. Find the first two common multiples of 2 and 4. This question is homework. Hope you understood the concepts well. So try to learn it today itself. Prepare well for tomorrow's class test. Okay. Thank you. Have a